Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of t-shirt design. One of the most crucial steps in creating a successful t-shirt design is visualizing it on a real garment. That's where Tshirt Mockups comes in. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 3 websites where you can easily and effectively create stunning t-shirt mockups. First up, we have Placeit. Placeit is a fantastic online platform that offers a vast library of customizable mockups for various products including t-shirts. They have a user-friendly interface that allows you to effortlessly upload your design and choose from a wide range of realistic mockups. You can choose from different poses of models and can add your design to the one that suits best. Next up, we have Mockup Tree. It's another excellent option for creating high-quality t-shirt mockups. They specialize in providing photorealistic mockups that showcase your design in different scenarios, such as on a person wearing the t-shirt or hanging in a store. Mockup Tree offers a variety of customization options to help you bring your visions to life. Last but not the least, we have Canva. Canva is a super amazing tool when it comes to design, but what makes it more amazing is its AI tool that can help you create mockups in no time. Just head over to Canva, click on Create a Design, choose your desired size, go to Elements and type T-shirt. Now choose the mockup option over here. As you do that, it will open up some amazing mockup frames. Choose the one you like. Now all you have to do is upload your design over here. I'll search the design in Canva only. This is the one I like. Just drag and drop it on the canvas. Double click on it and adjust it. When done, click on Apply Changes. And in no time, it will apply your design to the t-shirt mockup. So there you have it. 3 amazing websites for creating t-shirt mockups. Remember, a great mockup can significantly enhance your design appeal. So, experiment with these platforms and find the one that best suits your needs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.